Do you realize that over 90% of success is determined by just showing up? See, the vast majority of people, they are stuck in Groundhog Day and Struggle Street because they're not showing up for themselves. It is imperative that you show up for your goals, your vision, your dreams, that you show up for your future, that you show up for yourself, and you show up for your big, compelling why. What is your why, by the way? Why do you want to change your life? Why do you want to create something different? What is it that is going to drive you beyond the fears, the doubts, the challenges, the setbacks, the disappointments, the failures, because they will happen. They're a big part of this journey. Get over it. But when you are determined and you show up with a can-do, no matter what, whatever it takes kind of attitude, and you draw a line in the sand and you say, this is it. This is my year. You decide that you are going to make your goals and dreams non-negotiable this year. This is the year that everything changes. Everything starts with a decision, because everything is a choice and everything is a decision. And then you need to show up every single day and choose and decide in favor of your goal, of your vision, of your dream. Show up with the kind of attitude and to become the person you need to be. Do the work on the mindset. Do the growth work, because that is the foundation of your success. If you don't grow, if you don't expand, if you don't learn, if you don't fail your way forward, failure is just feedback, then you are never going to get to your destination. So gird your loins, put your big person pants on. Stop thinking that failure actually means anything except learning. It's just that you tried something, it didn't work. And get rid of the stigma, because that's going to block you and stop you from achieving whatever your heart desires, because it's an essential part of the journey. So decide from this point forward that you are going to show up every single day with a relentless focus and an attitude that helps you to achieve whatever it is that your heart desires, and never, ever, 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 ever quit. Never quit. Never quit on your dreams. I know that it can be hard sometimes. And be unstoppable, because you are infinitely powerful and you have the ability to create anything you put your mind to. You have to decide. The decision is the first part of this equation. And then just show up and show up and show up and show up. I don't care how long it takes. I don't care how many times you fail. You'll learn. You'll get there. I know you've got this. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Marguerita. I am the Woowoo Warrior, and I have helped thousands of wealth and freedom seekers, conscious entrepreneurs, change makers just like you to clear their fears, doubts, blocks, and things that were keeping them stuck so they could get on the fast track to achieving the wealth and the freedom that they desire and life beyond their wildest dreams. So if you would like help with any of this, then check out my free workshop. It is the Wealth by Design workshop. After you register, you're going to come to the workshop and I'm going to actually take you through a framework, and you're going to do the work to build a strategic action plan to build a business that feeds your soul and makes a positive difference in the world so you can live the life of your dreams. If that is something that interests you, then check out the link to the Wealth by Design workshop in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you there. And if you have enjoyed this, and you're going to love this, because this is an absolute game changer. This is about becoming a master problem solver, which is one of the primary skills you're going to need to develop if you want to be a successful entrepreneur. So you can check that video out next.